This is Matthew chapter 10, verse 34, and it reads, "Think not that I am come to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but a sword." I want to give all praises, all honor, and all glory unto Yahweh Bahashim, Yahushai Bahashim, Rakakwadash. I want to give double honors unto the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. And I want to say peace, mercy, and blessings to all the hopeful elect, the fellow laborers. The true name of the Heavenly Father is Yahweh, which means he exists or he is to be. The true name of the Son is Yahweh Shai, which means he is the deliverer, right? Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai. Call Elohim La, Yahweh Bahashim, Yahweh Shai, Bahashim Rakakwadash. All right. This right here is an article from War News 24/7. All right, in the original website, I believe it's in I'm not sure what language it is actually, but you'd have to translate it when you pull it up on Google, okay? But it says, revelation of the Iranian ambassador. What Iran, and when you read about Persia in the Bible, and you see Iran in the news, that's Persia, okay? You have to understand something about Iran, okay? Okay, so in 1935, the Iranian government requested that those countries with whom it had diplomatic relations start calling the nation Iran instead of Persia. Okay, so when you go to Ezekiel 38 and it lists the nations that are with Gog and Magog, Persia is on that list. Okay, what is it talking about here? What Iran, Persia, and Russia, Gog and Magog, are planning that will change all the data. Okay, will another Tehran official be killed? Okay, Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has declared 5 days of mourning following the tragic death of President Ibrahim Raisi. Okay, and these are Shemites, and every time you see Ibrahim, it's just another way of saying Abraham. Okay, and key officials accompanying the president, including Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Dolahian, who were killed in a helicopter crash in East Ashgaban province last Sunday. The funeral ceremony of Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi and senior officials is underway in Tabriz. Afterwards, the body of the late politician will be taken to his hometown, Mashhad, for burial. On the occasion of his death, news is increasing showing that Russian-Iranian plans are being prepared at all levels, which has disturbed the West, which is accused of targeting its opponents, especially when they approach Russia. Okay, so it's we're in the time of war, and there's the sound of battle and destruction, right? This is Jeremiah chapter 50 and verse 22. A sound of battle is in the land, and of a great destruction. That's what's coming. It's going to come in the form of nuclear. Okay, things are going to get hot and heavy, and it's going to get nuclear. This is the book of Isaiah chapter 9 and verse 5. For every battle of the warrior is with confused noise and garments rolled in blood, but this shall be with burning and fuel of fire. So, throughout the years or generations or ages, I should say, like the different kingdoms from the Babylonians all the way up to the Romans, you had wars fought with sword, shield, things of that nature. But now, we're in the future, the year 2024, the hopeful year of Jacob's trouble. These nations, man, the Most High put it on his spirit. He gave it unto Esau to create, nuclear weaponry, ultimately to destroy himself with. Okay. This is Isaiah 54 and verse 16. Behold, I have created the smith that bloweth the coals in the fire. Yeah, those German scientists. Okay? There's something called Operation Paperclip, where the scientists from Nazi Germany were split between Russia and America. Okay? And it just so happened that the Russians, Gog and Magog, they have way advanced nuclear weaponry. Okay? Babylon the Great, or America, has something called Moab, which is mother of all bombs, and Russia has Foab, father of all bombs, showing you right there that their nuclear capability, arsenal, weaponry, whatever you want to call it, is far superior to that of America's. Okay? Behold, I have created the smith that bloweth the coals and the fire. Yeah, Robert Oppenheimer. You know, he quoted the Indian god, okay? Pretty much saying, I have become the destroyer of worlds, okay? Because that's what these nukes are capable of. And that bringeth forth the instrument for his work, and I have created the waster to destroy. So Yahweh Shem Shai had given it unto these nations, man. So you're going to have more leaders that are going to die. It's going to get to the point to where these nations, you know, start shooting off these nukes. This is from End Time Headlines. All right. Another human case of bird flu has been reported linked to dairy cows. Okay, so we have wars, rumors of wars, pestilence, famine of the word. Okay, it's so hot in Mexico, howler monkeys are falling dead from the trees. Deadly tornado kills multiple people in Iowa as powerful storms again rip through Midwest. And these are all signs that precede the second coming of Yahushua, right? Florida's Osceola County warns residents to prepare now for expected active hurricane season. Okay? There's so much going on, it's hard to keep up with. Look at this. Putin launches space weapon while his forces carry out nuke drill near Ukraine. That's the spirit. Okay? European countries recognize Palestine state, leaving the FJs furious. Okay? So it's happening. All right? It's nigh, and it's at the door. The funeral ceremony of Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi and senior officials is underway in Tabriz. Afterwards, the body of the late politician will be taken to his hometown, Masad, for burial. On the occasion of his death, news is increasing showing that Russian-Iranian plans are being prepared at all levels, which has disturbed the West, Babylon the Great, the whore, which is accused of targeting its opponents, especially when they approach Russia. One of the Russian-Iranian plans was revealed during a recent Russian Islamic World Forum in Kazan, where RT's correspondent had an opportunity to speak with Iran's ambassador to Russia. He talked about Western sanctions and how countries can build stronger partnerships in difficult times. As revealed, there were and are plans to create an anti-sanctions coalition to get out of dollar addiction. Okay? As the Iranian ambassador had pointed out before Raisi's death, we are now planning to create an anti-sanctions coalition, right? So this anti-sanctions coalition is to combat the West, or America, okay? Because you have to understand that America sits as the hammer of the earth, okay? And these nations are tired of it. This is verse 23, Jeremiah 50 and 23. How is the hammer of the whole earth? How is Esau the hammer? He's sanctioning these other nations. He's taxing them. All right, he's making them dance to his music with his banks, his FRN notes, his jackals, his economic hitmen. Okay? These nations, they're tired of that shit, man. You know, and when they try to turn away from him, he kills them, you know? But this is the future of the whore. How is the hammer of the whole earth cut asunder and broken? That's going to be through nuclear destruction, through economic collapse, through the Egyptian against Egyptian civil war. Many plagues Yahweh Shem Shai is sending. How has Babylon become a defamation among the nations? I have laid a snare for thee, and thou art also taken, O Babylon, and thou wast not aware, right? These nations who you think that are your allies, that you're in cahoots with, hell, even your EU nations, man. It says in Revelation 17 that these shall hate the whore and burn her with fire. Thou art found and also caught, because thou hast striven against Yahweh Shem Shai. 25. The Lord Yahweh Shem Shai had opened his armories, which is that nuclear weaponry, and had brought forth the weapons of his indignation. For this is the work of Yahweh Shem Shai of hosts in the land of the Chaldeans. Right? This is what's coming. We are now planning to create an anti-sanctions coalition. About 25 countries in the world are now under tangible sanctions, although the scale varies. That links this place up as being the hammer of the earth. Okay, and these other nations, man, they're gonna shoot their nukes at the whore. And I'll get one more and end it. It says, well, actually, I think it says it up in Jeremiah, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, Jeremiah 50:14. Put yourselves in array against Babylon, and you can read Ezekiel 38. You're gonna have Gog, Magog, Turkey, Iran, Ethiopia, Libya. Okay, they're all gonna turn in, and even the whore's own allies, man. Okay, put yourselves in array against Babylon, round about all ye that bend the bow, all ye that possess nuclear capability. Shoot at her, spare no arrows. Use all your nukes. Okay, for she has sinned against Yahweh Shem Shai. Okay, and yeah, just a quick lesson. So I'm gonna end it there. I'm gonna give all praises, honor, and glory unto Yahweh Bahashem Yahushai Bahashem Makakodash. Double honors unto the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Shalom to the hopeful light.